welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to show you how to make the jumbo scrunchies. I know you guys are probably been seeing it all over TikTok or on Pinterest. So this is a scrunchie I made using acrylic yarn. But today I'll be showing you how to make that scrunchie using velvet yarn. So you will need 2 colors of velvet yarn. I'll be using 6mm hook for today and the scrunchie. So I like to stretch out the scrunchie ahead of time so it's could be more flexible and take more foundation single crochets. So the first step is attaching your yarn to the scrunchie. In chain 1. Now you're going to do 50 single crochet all around it. Next, now that you're done making the 50 single crochet, you're going to join chain 2, do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Next, you're going to do 3 double crochet in the next one. You're going to do the same process until you reach the end, the 50 single crochet. So I'm going to work on this and meet you guys back at the end for the next step. So we made it at the end of the round. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to do the same step for round 3. So you're going to do a slip stitch, so join, chain 2, do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. And then every stitch after that, you're going to do 3 double crochet. So I'm going to work on that and meet you at the end of the round. Okay, so we are at the end of the row. And that's all I have left from the yellow yarn. Now we're going to do a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Yeah, this row probably took you guys the longest. So we're finally in the last round. I'm going to take my other yarn. So we're doing like the color border of the scrunchie. You take the other color. You attach it with a slip stitch. Good. One, do a single crochet in the same stitch. Now you're going to do a single crochet in each stitch until you come at the end. So I'm going to do this and meet you guys back at the end. at the last stitch, just going to slip stitch and fasten off your work. And make sure nothing happens to it. I like to burn like that end of it. And that's it. It's all set. It's all done. If you're going at the same pace that I was, this should have taken me like a little over an hour and a half. This is comparison with the acrylic yarn. It's kind of like almost the same size. If you want to do the one with acrylic yarn, I did 60 single crochet for the base, and then everything else is the same steps as for the velvet yarn. And then before I did that one, I did one in pink color, to test out the pattern to see how it looks. That was all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to this tutorial. If you have any questions about the pattern or anything else, you can leave me a comment down below. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and give me some ideas about what you want to see next for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.